What's going on, everybody? So today we are replacing a wheel bearing. Got it over here in the bench. Now I just wanted to do a quick tip here. So we're doing a wheel bearing, but we got a welder out. Anyway, so down here, now let me get you spun around. So we already pressed out our spindle, right? We still got the bearing race on one spot there. So what we're gonna do is we already pressed this out. The bearing race is still inside, but as you can see down in here, I went and I welded a bead all the way around. And what that does is it takes the steel, it heats it up, but it also shrinks it. So then when you go and you hit that with a hammer, with a punch or an air hammer, it's gonna come out a lot easier. Some guys will go take a torch and cut a slit in it and then, you know, try and hammer it out, then they're fighting with it. I find every time I put a bead of weld around, it comes out 100%. Make sure you like this video if it helped you out. And I also do the same thing with this one. So I'll run a bead of weld all around this edge right here, not to weld it to the spindle, but just on the race. I'll clean the race up, and then I run a bead of weld all the way around. That gives me a spot where I can take the chisel and hit against it, and it's going to slide it right off that shaft. Now, if you guys got any tips and tricks on how to do that real nice and quick, leave them in the comments below. See you guys next time.